Have you ever updated an app and suddenly it becomes slow, buggy, or some features are missing? You can downgrade apps on iPhone or iPad without Jailbreak and without a computer. If you're using an iPhone or iPad and want to install older versions of apps from the App Store, this video is for you. This method works on latest iOS versions, and it's 100% safe. For example, I want to install an older version of TikTok because some features I need are only available on older versions. Unfortunately, the App Store doesn't let you choose or download older versions manually. So in this case, if you want a specific older version, we need to use a special app called DLiPA. This app allows you to download and install older versions of apps that are no longer available on the App Store. To install DLiPA, you need to sideload the app because it's not available on the App Store. Apple doesn't allow apps like this on the App Store, so sideloading is required. You can install DLiPA using popular sideloading tools such as AppStore, Sideloadly, or SideStore if you're using a computer. And if you don't want to use a PC, you can also install DLiPA using IPA installers like eSign, Scarlet, or other similar tools. Choose the method that works best for you, PC or no PC, both options work. In my case, I'm going to use Sideloadly to install DLiPA on my iPhone. This method is simple and works on both Windows and Mac. First, download and install Sideloadly on your computer. If you're using Windows, you also need to install iTunes so your computer can properly connect to your iPhone. If you're using a Mac, you don't need iTunes, just install Sideloadly directly. Download and install Sideloadly on your computer. After that, connect your iPhone or iPad to the computer using a USB cable. Next, download DLiPA from its official website. Make sure you download the IPA file. DLiPA supports iOS 13 all the way up to iOS 26. In my case, I'm using iOS 26, and as you can see, DLiPA works perfectly without any issues. So even if you're on the latest iOS version, you can still use this method to install older app versions safely. After that, open Sideloadly, then drag and drop the DLiPA IPA file into the app. Now log in with your Apple ID to sign the app. Once everything is set, click Start and wait for the installation to finish. Once installed, before opening DLiPA, you need to trust the developer profile. Go to Settings, hit General. VPN and Device Management. Find the profile under your Apple ID, tap it, and select Trust. Once it's trusted, you can go back to your home screen and open DLiPA. Before you can downgrade apps using DLiPA, you need to sign in with your Apple ID inside the app. Open DLiPA, go to Account, then log in with your Apple ID. Don't worry, this step is safe. DLiPA uses your Apple ID only to access your App Store purchases, just like the official App Store. Once you're logged in, you're ready to downgrade apps to older versions. Now you can search for the app you want to downgrade. In my case, I want to downgrade TikTok and install an older version. Use the search bar to find the app, then tap on it. Next, select Version History to see all available older versions. Choose the version you want to install. For example, an older version with the features you need, then tap Download. DLiPA will start downloading the selected version, and once it's done, the app will be installed on your device. Once the download is complete, go to the Download section in DLiPA. Tap on Apps, then select Install. Follow the installation instructions carefully. First, tap the Download Profile button. Now go to Settings, and you'll see Profile downloaded at the top. Tap it and install the profile. After the profile is installed, go to Settings and hit General and About. Scroll down and tap Certificate Trust Settings. Enable the DLiPA certificate by turning it on. Once it's enabled, go back to DLiPA, tap the app icon, and hit Install. That's it! The app will be automatically downgraded to the older version you selected. So that's how you can downgrade apps on iPhone and iPad using DLiPA, no jailbreak, and no PC required for the downgrade itself. This method is perfect if a new app update removes features, causes bugs, or doesn't work well on your device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.